Welcome back to my channel, Vehicle Buzz. Today we're diving deep into the 2025 BYD Sealion 6, an exciting addition to BYD SUV lineup that blends futuristic design, impressive performance, and advanced technology. If you're in the market for an electrified SUV with cutting-edge features, this one deserves your attention. Let's get into all the details. Starting with the exterior, the 2025 BYD Sealion 6 embraces a sleek, modern design inspired by the brand's Ocean X aesthetic. The front fascia is aggressive yet elegant, featuring a slim, full-width LED light bar that gives it a high-tech and premium appeal. The sculpted lines flow seamlessly from the hood to the side profile, creating a dynamic and aerodynamic stance. The flush door handles and sharp creases add to its sophisticated presence. Moving to the rear, the Sealion 6 sports a connected taillight design that enhances its futuristic look. The aerodynamic rear spoiler and dual-tone bumper complete the SUV's sporty yet refined appearance. The 20-inch alloy wheels add to its commanding road presence, making it a head-turner wherever it goes. Step inside and you're greeted by a luxurious and tech-filled interior. BYD has gone all out to ensure a premium cabin experience. The dashboard is dominated by a massive 15.6-inch rotating touchscreen infotainment system running the latest BYD Dialink OS, offering seamless connectivity, navigation, and entertainment options. The driver gets a fully digital 10.25-inch instrument cluster, providing all essential driving information with crisp clarity. The use of high-quality materials, including soft-touch surfaces, leather upholstery, and ambient lighting, elevates the cabin's ambiance. The spacious seating arrangement ensures superior comfort with power-adjustable front seats and ample legroom in both rows. The panoramic sunroof enhances the airy feel, while the dual-zone climate control keeps the cabin at the perfect temperature. The cargo space is generous, making the Sealion 6 a practical choice for families and road trips. Under the hood, the 2025 BYD Sealion 6 is powered by a dual-motor all-wheel drive setup, delivering an exhilarating driving experience. It boasts an impressive output of around 530 horsepower, allowing it to accelerate from 0 to 100 km/h in just 4.5 seconds. The power delivery is smooth and instant, thanks to BYD Advanced Blade battery technology, which ensures better energy efficiency and safety. Speaking of range, the Sealion 6 offers a remarkable 650-kilometer single charge, making it one of the most efficient electric SUVs in its class. The vehicle supports ultra-fast DC charging, allowing it to go from 10% to 80% in just 30 minutes, ensuring minimal downtime. The intelligent regenerative braking system enhances efficiency, recovering energy during deceleration. The ride quality is exceptional, with a well-tuned suspension that balances comfort and agility. The steering is precise, and the SUV remains stable even at high speeds, making highway cruising effortless. Additionally, multiple driving modes allow customization according to road conditions and driving preferences. When it comes to pricing, the 2025 BYD Sealion 6 is expected to start at around $45,000 for the base model, with fully loaded versions reaching up to $55,000 depending on trim levels and optional features. This pricing positions it competitively against rivals like the Tesla Model Y, Hyundai Ioniq 5, and Ford Mustang Mach-E, considering its premium features, impressive performance, and long-range capability. The Sealion 6 offers great value for money in the EV SUV segment. That wraps up our in-depth review of the 2025 BYD Sealion 6. What are your thoughts on this electric SUV? Does it tick all the boxes for you? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon to stay updated on all the latest car reviews. Until next time, drive safe and stay tuned to Vehicle Buzz for more exciting automotive content.